Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Right, so still on the old and drop. Today we're gonna be learning a very nice one also in the key of and 736. I'll be in the key of F. Right. Okay, so let's look at this song. For you are great, you do miracles so great. Okay, so it's gonna happen this time between 3 and 6. So for you, you are great, you do miracles. So what's happening here? On this type of stuff's happening, and this song also he turned it, but that was in the key of D flat, right? Okay. Something like it. Right. But today we're in the key of F. So this is just like the small part of this of that other one. That other one even sounds, more complex. Okay, so what are we doing? So we have a 1. We have to go to 7. We have to go to 3. We have to go to 6. So this is gonna happen between 3 and 6. So on 3, we'll do something like this. You hold your 3 on your left. You hold 1 on the right. Right, this is too long for me. I'll hold 7 on my pinky for the right hand. Then I hold 3. Look at it. Can you see that? 3 on my left pinky, 7 on my right pinky. Then this is going to happen in between, and you can do this on any key. You do a play on the left. You do from 6 to your flat 6. But I actually came from flat 6 to 6 back to flat 6. Same thing happened on the right, but different notes. You're coming from your 4 to flat 4 or to sharp 4. So together you have something like this. Then you go to 6. So for me, I do something like this. So 6 and 2. I bounce to 7 and 2. Then I head on 6 and 1. So for you are great, you do miracles so great. So I do like I did in the former video I did on So that's it. So you do this. Let's quickly look at this in the key of C. For you are great, you do miracle. So in the key of C. So I'm going from my I'm going from my 4 to flat 4 to sharp 4, like I told you. So for you are great, you do miracles so great. So you can do. You can just hold. If you don't want to do this, drop 2. You can just hold this your 2 diminished 7 chord and then go to 6. So for you are great, you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. If you need 736, I have tons of them on this channel. So just click the subscribe button, check the other videos. You can check the playlist, and you can ask me. I'm so kind. I'll send you the video links. God bless you. Bye.